Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to your class 2 science class. So, yes, good afternoon. Okay, so previous day we continued this chapter water and its forms, right? And we discussed on the source of water, forms of water, and the water cycle. So, hope you remembered it. But the previous chapter, air around us, which exercise part of question D and question E, those two things we skipped and we forget also to complete it. So that's why today we will complete this question D and question E. Okay? I'm fine, Snigdha. And how are you? And others? Hope you all are fine. So this chapter, these two question and question D and question D, which those two answered the questions which we cannot complete it to the previous class. So today we will discuss on question D, and I can remember I gave you a homework. These things I gave you homework. So have you completed? Have you complete this homework? Have you complete this question D and question E as a homework? Let me know. So today we will discuss on question D and question E and this chapter air around us. So question D, question 1. Let's see what is it. What project Upasho? Now we discuss on the exercise part, not the project. So everyone take your copybook with you and write the answer with me, and you have to give the answer too. So this answer the following questions on question D, and question 1 is list 3 sources of smoke. List 3 sources of smoke. So give me answer. Everyone, Sujan, Samriddho, Upasho, Sreshtha, Snigdha, Rithujit, Pratushna, everyone give me answer. That list 3 sources of smoke. Write it fast. List of 3 sources of smoke. Very good, Sreshtha. And others? I'm waiting for others too. So write it fast. So those 3 sources of smoke are there are many examples here in your book, and you already write here the moving cars, buses and factory. Very good. So I am writing here all of this answer, so you can copy it, okay, in your copy book. So they are coal or wood or moving vehicles. You know what is vehicles? Those buses, scooters, cars, bike, lorry. So everything is vehicle. Okay, everything is vehicle. So that is the moving vehicles. That is the moving vehicles. As you write here, moving cars, moving buses. I am writing here moving vehicles. Okay, same thing. And factories and factories. So from those things we can get the smoke, the source of smoke. Okay, very good everyone who gave the answer. Purban, I am already signed in this board. I hope you can see that list of 3 sources of smoke are coal or wood, moving vehicles and factories. Okay, so I hope you all copied it and write it fast, everyone. Very good everyone. Susan, I already got your answer. Somagni, Samriddho, Aradha. Okay, very good. Now go to the next questions. Nihan, write it fast, and Rithojit also, write it fast. Okay Nihan, very good. Now give me answer. You submitted does not mean that you don't need to answer me. Okay? You answered me today also. So here the next question is question number 2. What happens if we breathe impure air? What happens if we breathe impure air? Tell me. Very good Rithojit. What happens? I am erasing it now and go to the question number 2. If we breathe impure air, what happens? If we breathe impure air, we fall sick or we become sick. We became sick or ill. We became sick or ill. If we breathe impure air, we become sick or ill. Okay? Yes, very good. Okay, now go to the next question. Question number 3. How can we get clean and pure air to breathe? How can we get clean and pure air to breathe? Very good, Snigdha. You submitted, but today you have to answer me also. Give the answer of question 1, question 2, question 3. And obviously don't see the book and any copy of answer. Just write it by your own. Very good, Somagni. Yes. Now go to the next question number 3. How can we get clean and pure air to breathe? I am now erasing question number 2. Now go answer me on question number 3. Snigdha, give me answer. Snigdha, Upasho, Nihan also. Give me answer. How can we get clean and pure air to breathe? We should grow more plants. we should grow more plants to get clean and pure air, write it in your copy book, which I am writing in the board. That is a full sentence answer. So, we should grow more plants to get clean and pure air to breathe. Okay? Very good, Purbayan, Shuzan, Shomagni and others. So, we should grow more plants to get clean and pure air to breathe. Have you complete? Now go to the question number 4. Snigdha, where is your answer? Where are your answer? Snigdha, give me answer of question number 3. Okay, so everyone, you completed the question 3 except Snigdha. Snigdha, give me answer of question number 3. Now go to the question number 4. And that is, why should we keep the doors and windows open? Why we should keep the doors and windows open? We should keep the doors and windows open, to let the fresh air come in, to let the fresh air come in. Right? Very good. So, we should keep the doors and windows open to let the fresh air come in. Okay? So, we completed the question D, the question of the question part, answer the following question, this part of question D. Right? Very good, everyone who gave the answer. Okay, now the question E. Now the question E, that is think and answer. First read the question very attentively, then think about it, then give me answer. And you have to tell me the reason also. Purbayan, why you choose the forest? Tell me the reason also. That is think and answer. That where will you get clean air, in a city or in a forest? Where? We will get clean air in a city or in a forest, and why? Very good, Nihan. You all choose the forest, and Pratushna said the reason also. Very good. And others, Washim, Shrestha, why you choose the forest? Let me know. Tell me the reason also. Why you choose the forest? Why not city? Why, Susan? Why you choose the forest? Wasim, Shaptorshi, Shrestha, Nihan, everyone give me the reason also. As you all choose the forest, that is correct. But tell me the reason also. So we will get clean air in a forest. Very good. Shrestha, Saptarshi. So that is absolutely correct answer, that we will get clean air in a forest. Okay. So we completed the question D and question E, this exercise part of this 9th chapter, Air Around Us. Very good, Purbayan. Very good. Okay. And this water and its forms, which chapter, 10th chapter, which we already started in this previous class, and the hail and snow, this part of the offline video you have to see tomorrow also. Okay. So tomorrow I will upload a video, offline video about hail and snow, because you already understand about the water cycle, forms of water and source of water. So this hail and snow, this part we couldn't complete on the next previous class. So that's why I will upload, and you have to see this video also, because the next online class we will start the exercise part of this water and its forms. Okay, water and its forms, this exercise part we will start. Okay everyone, so that's all for today, because we completed and also your time is over. And is anything else? Who are present in the class, please write here P, and that's all for today.